And hello everyone, Toybox here, and I am super excited to share this project with you. Lucy is a 2018 Model 3 that was built prior to the pedestrian warning system being implemented. The system is an external speaker which led Tesla to create the boombox feature, and in a very Tesla fashion, they managed to incorporate some fun into it. So, just a couple of months ago, I hopped onto the Tesla app, set up an appointment, got all excited, and then, bam! Denied. Unfortunately, retrofitting isn't a possibility for me. However, that sadness didn't last long at all, because enter Glydsphere and their EV speaker. It's absolutely incredible and turns out to be a massive upgrade over the boombox. It has much higher quality sound, wireless connection, as well as real-time audio, which means the sound will adjust depending on the increase or decrease in speed. It's awesome. Not only can you use car sounds like the Lamborghini, a Maserati, a Ferrari, plus a ton, and I mean a ton of other options. You can also create custom ones if you're interested. So let's run through how to do the install, the setup, and check out how it sounds from the inside and out. Here we go. For the packaging, you have this slick black box with these glowing blue letters. Inside the box, we have the speaker nicely covered in its own bag. You'll have this black bag that contains Velcro pads for the speaker and battery installation. Then, here's the OBD diagnostic harness, an external audio transmitter. Moving on to the other box, it has all of the remaining accessories needed. First is this huge power bank battery, then another smaller box which contains all of the required plugs, a phone adapter, the remote, and the OBD link connector, which comes in another box, and the case. Opening this thing up, here we have it, the almighty OBD link. Now, for the centerpiece, it's this incredible looking speaker that, if we're being honest, just like me, it's a little bit on the heavy side, but just a little bit. And on the back, thankfully, most of the connections come pre-installed. Installation time. First, we have this USB-C to USB-A cable. The USB-C side gets plugged into that corner right here, leaving the rest of the cord aside for now. Then we move on to the other cord, which has two different ends. One, a completely straight one, and the other, an L-shaped one. The straight end one gets plugged into here, again, leaving the rest of the cord aside for now. After sticking on the Velcro pads, we grab the cables and move them to the side so they don't get weirdly stuck underneath. And we get ready to fully attach the speaker. So we turn it over and place it wherever you'd like. Apply some pressure, and that's it. Now we move on to the battery. Again, we've added the Velcro on the back, and we start plugging it in. You'll have the two ends of the cable that we set aside earlier. One being the USB-A, and the other the power. Once plugged in and the cables are out of the way, we can set it down, stick it on, and done. To turn everything on, lifting one end, you'll see the power button. Then moving on to the other side, you lift it again, and there's a switch that'll need to be flipped. Once that's done, that's it. This part of the install is over. Nailed it! For the rest of the installation, first steps you'll want to do is move the seats forward, followed by turning off the vehicle. In order to do that, you go to the screen, press the car icon in the lower left, then head to safety. Scroll all the way down to power off, and confirm. Okay, now we're in the back seats. We have our trusty pry tool, the OBD link, and harness. We have to take off this trim panel, which is actually super easy. You could just slide the pry tool at the top, give it a twist, it'll unclip, then you can just pull it off. It's that easy. It's being held by these 5 clips. Now we have to unplug this piece right here, so we can pinch this end and then wiggle it until it comes off. Now to install the harness, one end matches up, we clip it in, clicks into place. Now for the other. For the OBD link, you just plug it in and it will start blinking blue when it's searching for Bluetooth. The rest of the link up is done through the phone via Bluetooth and Glydsphere app. For now, we can place this along the side, tucking in the cables. Then we reattach the trim piece. And that's it. Okay, in order to be fully connected, you'll need to do 2 things. First is turn on the speaker using the remote. You might be able to hear a popping sound. Next is open the Glydsphere app. Once that's ready, you plug in the transmitter, press the button at the bottom, and you'll see this light blinking. Once it's fully connected, it'll turn solid blue. There you go. Now we can place the phone wherever you want, and you're good to go. That's it. Let's play. For the audio demonstration, I simply could not resist going with the Jetsons car, and the Glydsphere mimics it absolutely perfectly. It can be super loud on the outside. And here's a glimpse of what it's like being inside the car.
Small sequence initiated.
I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you all for being around. You are truly appreciated. Stick around for more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.